So here, use the formula of cos C plus cos D. What is cos C plus cos D? Cos C plus cos D is 2 cos C plus D by 2 cos C minus D by 2. Now what is sine square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta. Replace it with 1 minus cos square theta. So it is 1 minus cos square theta. Outside we have 2 here into cos theta. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidyashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So in today's session, we will be discussing a very important problems which you for 5 marks in your examination. So we'll take up few problems related to trigonometric functions. So remember all the formulas and result to solve these 5 marks question. So the very first question given here is prove that sine 3 theta is equal to 3 sine theta minus 4 sine cube theta. This is one of the multiple angle formula in terms of 3 theta. How we get it? Using compound angle formula. So again, we will take the left hand side part and we will prove the right hand side part. What are we supposed to do here? So let sine theta can be written in the form of sine 2 theta plus theta. Now, this is in the form of sine A plus B. How sine A plus B is written? As sine A cos B plus cos A sine B. So, we will expand this in terms of sine A, which is nothing but sine 2 theta, cos B, which is cos theta, plus cos 2 theta into sine theta. Now you can observe your right hand side part, all the terms are in sine only. So here, wherever you get cos, replace it with sine. Expand sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta also. We know that sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta into cos theta plus cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta into sine theta. Now multiply every term here. You will get this as 2 sine theta cos square theta plus 1 into sine theta is sine theta minus 2 into sine square theta is 2 sine cube theta. Again you have cos square theta here. Replace it with 1 minus sine square theta. So 2 into sine theta into 1 minus sine square theta plus sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. Now multiply each and every time. So you will get it as 2 sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta plus sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta. So 2 sine theta plus sine theta is 3 sine theta minus 2 sine cube theta minus 2 sine cube theta becomes minus 4 sine cube theta. That is the right hand side of the result. Hence, the formula is proved. Next question, prove that cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Again, we will make use of the compound angle formula and replace all the terms by cos here. So, let us take cos 3 theta as cos 2 theta plus theta. We know the expansion of cos A plus B. It is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. So, in the same way, this becomes cos 2 theta into cos theta minus sin 2 theta into sin theta. So, cos 2 theta is what? In terms of cos only, it is 2 cos square theta minus 1 into cos theta minus sin 2 theta is 2 sin theta cos theta into sin theta. Now multiply this. So that is equal to 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 sin square theta into cos theta. Now what is sin square theta? It is 1 minus cos square theta. Replace it with 1 minus cos square theta. So it is 1 minus cos square theta. Outside we have 2 here into cos theta. Now multiply the terms here. So this becomes 2 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 ones are 2. 2 into cos theta is 2 cos theta. Again plus 2 cos cube theta. Now 2 cos cube theta is 4 cos cube theta minus cos theta minus 2 cos theta becomes minus 3 cos theta, which is the right hand side of the required result. Hence, the formula or the identity is proved. So next we have tan 3 theta. Again, with the help of compound formula, we will prove tan 3 theta. So write tan 3 theta as sum of tan 2 theta plus theta. Use the formula of tan A plus B. Tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So we will apply the result. So tan 2 theta plus tan theta whole divided by 1 minus tan 2 theta into tan theta. Now, what is tan 2 theta? It is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So, 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta plus tan theta. So, replace in the denominator also. So, it is 1 minus tan 2 theta is 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta into tan theta. Now, looking at the denominator, it is 2 tan theta plus, multiply this. So, tan theta into 1 is tan theta minus tan square theta into tan theta is tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So, same in terms of denominator also, it is 1 minus tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta. So, whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta. We can cancel 1 minus tan square theta, 1 minus tan square theta. Numerator 2 tan theta plus tan theta is 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta whole divided by 1 minus tan square theta minus 2 tan square theta is 3 tan square theta, which is the right hand side of the result. 3 tan theta minus tan cube theta divided by 1 minus 3 tan square theta. So next question, prove that sin 3 theta by sin theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta is equal to 2. So consider your left hand side part. So LHS is equal to sin 3 theta by sin theta minus cos 3 theta by cos theta. Now you know the formula for sin 3 theta and cos 3 theta. Substitute in the equation. So sin 3 theta is 3 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta whole divided by sin theta. And here it is 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta whole divided by cos theta. Now divide it separately with sin theta and that with cos theta. So here you are left with 3 sin theta by sin theta cancels minus 4 sin square theta. Again there it becomes minus 4 cos square theta minus 3. So which is again minus into minus becomes plus. 3 cos theta by cos theta is 3. Now 3 plus 3 is 6. Take minus 4 as common factor. It becomes sin square theta plus cos square theta. So whose value is 1. So 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So we have proved the result is equal to 2. So here is my next question. Prove that cos 7x plus cos 3x minus cos 5x minus cos x divided by sin 7x minus sin 3x minus sin 5x plus sin x is equal to cot 2x. So first consider the LHS part. So write it as cos 7x plus cos 3x separately and here take minus outside, then it becomes cos 5x plus cos x. So as you have taken in the numerator, write it as denominator also. It is sin 7x minus sin 3x. Take minus outside, then it is sin 5x minus sin x. So here use the formula of cos c plus cos d. What is cos c plus cos d? Cos c plus cos d is 2 cos c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Similarly, what is sin c minus sin d? So sin c minus sin d is equal to 2 cos c plus d by 2 sin c minus d by 2. That is the transformation formula. Use the same result here. Now we have 7x plus 3x. So I'll write 2 cos 7x plus 3x divided by 2. 7 plus 3 is 10. 10x by 2 is cos 5x. Next we have to take cos 7x minus 3x by 2. According to the formula, 7x minus 3x is 4x. 4x by 2 is 2x. So cos 2x. We'll apply the same for this also. It is 2 cos 5x plus x is 6x. 6x by 2 is cos 3x. And 5x minus x is 4x. 4x by 2 is 2x. That is cos 2x. Again in the denominator, we have 2 sin 7x sin 3x. So that in the form of cos c plus d by 2. So it is cos of 7 plus 3 is 10. 10 by 2 is 5x. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2x, but it is now sin 2x. Again here also it is 2 cos 3x and here it is sin 2x. Now in the numerator you have 2 as a common factor and cos 2x as common factor. So you are left with cos 5x minus cos 3x. Again in the denominator you have 2 as a common factor, sin 2x. So here you have cos 5x as common along with this cos 3x. So you can cancel cos 5x minus cos 3x in both numerator and denominator, also 2 and 2. Now this is in the form of cos by sin. Cos by sin is nothing but cot 2x. So that is the right hand side. Hence, we have proved the result. So in today's session, we have discussed important 5 marks question for your examination. We'll take few more problems in next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.